Yo, what up, One Coalition? I hope everybody having a blessed day. Today I want to show y'all the correlation between the KKK and white separatists and Tariq Nasheed and the FBA. I was watching a video of Thomas Robb, who is the chairman, pretty much the head man of the KKK right now. And if those of you who know Thomas Robb, do your research on him. I want to play a snippet of what he was speaking on, and I want to play a snippet of what Tariq Nasheed was speaking on to show the correlation on how the FBA is similar to the KKK. And for those of you who understand and those of you who know the tactics of separatists, then you'll understand and know what's up, what I'm touching on. So listen to these two videos right here, and I'll come to a conclusion at the end. One Coalition.
Black people.
Even those words don't, what are those words to mean? I've got prejudice. Of course I do. Everybody has prejudice.
Sorry, was that a dumb question?
I mean, I prefer being around white people. I'm sorry, that's the way it is, you know?
Oh, no, but like, I'm like a supporter of you, so, including me, like you prefer being around white people.
I'll be your friend, but you're not going to come over to my house for a barbecue.
Oh, you wouldn't invite me?
No.
Oh, fair enough. Yeah,
You know,
yeah, makes sense. And is that because of color?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I'm a separatist.
All right, and I want y'all to pay attention to that right there. Here you have a white supremacist right here saying that he's a separatist and he prefers to be around his own. He's a separatist. Now tell me that does not sound like what Tariq Nasheed preaches to his followings about being a separatist, about standing up on foundational black Americans, whatever that is, standing on that and making y'all separate from being African people, which is horrible. So that's why I'm bringing this correlation. But now listen to Tariq Nasheed speak.
Put all of these non-FBA colors in there. We have to be Africanized all the time. And we're saying, no. We're going to focus on this culture here. And when we say Juneteenth is our thing, we are told, well, we're all black. We all supposed to be this and why y'all xenophobic and divisive? Y'all can't be xenophobic and divisive. Oh, that's so divisive and xenophobic. And the thing is, let me tell you something, family, when we touch other people's culture.
Yo, One Coalition, this is my conclusion right here. It doesn't matter what nationality a white person comes from. Once they have the same skin complexion, they ride together. So they're known for being separatists amongst us. You know what I'm saying? And that's fine with them. They don't want to be amongst us. That's cool. We don't have to be amongst them. But somehow every time we build ourselves up, they seem to destroy us. But here's the problem with a black person being xenophobic. We look the same, nigga. We come from the same. We all have roots back that trace us back to Africa. It's proven. How the fuck can you keep those same tactics as the supremacists and as the oppressors and tell people that you're against the oppression but then go against your own people? It makes no sense. It's crazy. There's several videos I have of this man being a walking contradiction. And yeah, it's based off of his monetarily gain off of those people right there. It's almost like he puts the ignorant people in one bunch and separates that. And that's how I know he's an agent, because he's paid to do that. It's crazy to me that people will support this thing, and people who don't understand the thing that's going on amongst us right now by this shit going on, it's really deep. You have those real white supremacists sitting back and like, yeah, they separate each other just like how we taught them to. Let's keep going. And that's the fucked up part about it. So I'm going to continue to make these videos right here. And those of you who know and those of you who understand, make sure I support the channel. Let's keep riding. One Coalition.